Maybe once in a while you cover up an itty bitty lie with a big fat smile. But an itty bitty lie still lie, and that's not your style. But stick to the middle of the path from mile to mile. Maybe you want it real bad, so you take it. Maybe you make the promise, but then you break it. Maybe you didn't learn the words, so you fake it. And you feel a little low. But if instead you move straight ahead, keep in your promises, you'll be living straight up. If you move too far to the side, then you're gonna get stuck. It might feel like a little lie, but it's gonna catch up. Do what you say you're gonna do, you'll be on your way up. Instead you're on your way up, you'll be living straight up. Maybe you've got a crew, and he said we're gonna do the good things that good friends do. And everybody's still a good friend who sticks like glue. 'Cause everybody did what they said and everybody was true. Maybe you wanted it but you didn't take it. Maybe you promised and then you didn't break it. Maybe you learned the words so you didn't fake it. And now everybody knows. But if instead you move straight ahead, keep in your promises, you'll be living straight up. If you move too far to the side, then you're gonna get stuck. It might feel like a little lie, but it's gonna catch up. Do what you say you're gonna do, you'll be on your way up. Instead you're on your way up, you'll be living straight up. If you move too far to the side, then you're gonna get stuck. It might feel like a little lie, but it's gonna catch up. Do what you say you're gonna do, you'll be on your way up. Instead you're on your way up. You can choose to be true, not just to everybody else, but true to you. You can choose to be true, not just to everybody else, but true to you. True to you.
Would you like to go to the movies later? Would I? Would I? Yes. Do you want to go to the movies later or not? Huh?
Hey, who's this?
Oh, what does it look like? It's Pinocchio. Hey, I'm trying to change my image, remember? Call me Jerry. Oh, sorry, I forgot. So, Jerry, what's it like being a real boy? I'm still a puppet. That cricket didn't know what he was talking about. Did you try wishing upon a star? Yeah, and I ended up with you. Whoop-a-dee-doo. Whoop-a-dee-doo. Woo-a-dee-doo. Well, what do you think?
I think it's great. It's really great.
Thanks. I've been working with him for months. Could you see my mouth moving?
Your mouth?
Yeah.
No. I mean, I had no idea that was you making the voice.
Yeah, we make a pretty good team, don't we?
Uh-huh.
Well, we've been thinking about going out on tour together. Now, be honest with me. Do you think audiences would like us?
A tour?
Mm-hmm.
A comedy tour?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think that would be a super idea. I think it would be a big hit. This may be the best idea you've ever had.
Brandon, is your nose growing?
Absolutely not. Welcome to the So-and-So Show. I'm Brandon.
And I'm John, and we are so glad you decided to join us today.
And I am doubly glad.
Oh, yeah? And why are you so glad?
Because of today's guest.
Oh, that's right. That should be a lot of fun.
It should be doubly fun. Please welcome all the way from Hollywood, someone who knows stuff.
Oh,
John.
oh.
Woo. Hey!
Hey,
How's it going?
so good.
Tell us who you are and what you know.
I'm sorry. You'll have to excuse Brandon. He's really excited that you're on the show today.
Doubly excited.
I'm excited to be here. My name is Oakley, and I'm a special effects makeup artist for the movies.
Yes.
Okay, special effects makeups. Now, that's someone who does more than just covering up some pimples and bad skin and stuff, right?
Right. They've got other makeup artists to do that. But if you want someone to make you look older or to give you like a nasty cut or a bruise or something, call me.
Yeah, but your specialty is...
Oh, my specialty is making people into monsters.
Oh, so you make what? Monster masks?
I mean, sometimes. More often, though, it's makeup and latex and glue. It's important not to cover the actor's face entirely because you have to see their mouth move and their facial expressions.
Oh, so because that way you want their performance to shine through the makeup, right?
Exactly.
I want to be a monster.
I think Brandon would like you to make him up today.
I do.
Well, I can't do it myself, of course, because I'm on set. But did you get the package I sent?
Yeah. Got it.
You are going to turn yourself into one of the scariest, the smartest, most deadly creatures ever.
Yes.
And I'm going to talk you through it. Fair enough?
Fair enough.
All right, let's get started with the black eyeliner pencil.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Got it.
Makeup time lapse! Wow. Brandon, great effort.
Thank you. Let me see.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
You look amazing!
I look like an owl. An owl's not a monster.
Okay, but owls are smart. They can be scary and deadly too. Just ask mice and bunny rabbits.
I look like an owl.
Well, thanks, Oakley, for showing us what you do. It really is incredible.
You bet. Thanks for having me.
Are you going to be all right? It's Bible story time with Kellen.
Hey guys, I mean, what's going on?
I'm an owl.
Yeah, you are, and you look great. And I'd trust you, and I would come to you for advice. And you know, it
Move on.
will do. How about a story from the book of 2 Kings starring the one and only So-and-So Show players?
Perfect.
Perfect.
This story is about a man named Gehazi who was a servant to Elisha, a prophet of God. Gehazi did something that wasn't very honest.
Who? Me?
we'll get to that in a minute.
Oh.
First, let's talk about Naaman. Naaman was an army commander.
That's right. I'm Naaman. I'm the man in charge. When I say jump, people say how high. Hoo-ah!
He was a brave soldier who won many battles, but he had a skin disease.
Go away, spots. Go away. You're still there.
A servant in Naaman's house spoke of a prophet in Samaria who could heal Naaman's disease. So after getting permission from his king, Naaman went to see Elisha.
Whoa! Off-screen caravan of horses and chariots. Oh!
Oh, wow.
Elisha?
Me? No, not at all. He is inside, but he has sent me out here to give you a message. He says to go and wash yourself 7 times in the Jordan River, and then your skin will be healed.
Seriously?
Yes, he says to go and wash yourself 7 times.
Yeah, got it. I got it. 7 times. Yeah.
Well,
Unbelievable. Yeah. Giddy up there. Whoa.
So Naaman went down to the Jordan River and dipped himself in the water 7 times. And when he came out, his skin was clean. So he returned to Elisha.
Whoa. Elisha? Now I know your God is the one true God. Please accept a gift from me. I have 750 pounds of silver. I have 150 pounds of gold. And I have 10 sets of fine clothing, all upon my chariot that I would love to have someone come and deliver to you as
I serve the Lord. As sure as he is alive, I will not accept a gift.
Well, please, you must accept a gift.
I will not.
Please?
No.
Pretty please.
Nope.
But no matter how much Naaman begged, Elijah refused to take a gift. So Naaman started on his way. Gehazi wasn't too happy about the whole thing.
my master has been a little too easy on Naaman. He should have at least accepted a gift. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go after Naaman and ask him to give me a gift or something as sure as the Lord is alive.
So Gehazi ran and caught up with Naaman.
Wait up!
Whoa! Is everything all right?
Totally. Yes. Now, do you remember how my master said that he didn't need any kind of gifts or anything?
I do.
Oh, excellent. Well, turns out he's changed his mind. Yes, we've had a visitor drop by who's a little short on gold and silver and stuff.
Oh, of course. Yeah, how much do you want?
How much? How much? I didn't even think about how about 75 pounds of silver and 2 sets of clothing?
Well, I insist you take twice as much silver.
You do know best, yes. Oh dear, wow. Excellent. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness, yes, well, that's quite a lot. Thank you very much for your kindness. Yes.
Be on your way.
Oh yes, I will be on my way.
When Gehazi got back to Elisha's house, he put the gifts away, someplace safe. But before he could truly celebrate what he'd done, he ran into Elisha.
Whew. Silver is so heavy.
So, Elijah,
Where have you been?
me, little old moi, nowhere.
Gehazi, I know you went back to Naaman. My spirit was with you the whole time. Why couldn't you just be honest?
I have always been on.
Now, you're going to have the same skin disease as Naaman.
No. 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 Ah. Ah. Ah.
The end. Well, let's hear it for the so-and-so show players.
Woohoo!
What'd you think, fellas? Cool story, right?
I mean, absolutely.
Very funny.
You know, it's hard to trust people once they've told a lie like that. I know I'd have a hard time trusting Gehazi.
Yeah, he was just foul.
All right, all right. See you next time, Kellen.
I guess all good things have to come to an end.
Bye.
All good things.
No more owl jokes, okay?
I'll try.
I can't even think of what comes next in the show.
Oh, well, I guess we'll just have to wing it. Okay, now I'll try.
Reveal the question. Why is it important for people to trust you? That's a good question. What do you think, John?
Well, because no one likes to hang out with people who don't tell the truth.
Stop it.
What I said? Who?
All right. I know.
I'm telling you the truth.
Oh, boy. We'll see you guys next week.
Hey, Brandon. How many licks does it take to get to the center of this lollipop?
Oh, let me see. 1, 2. 2.
Is it good? No.
Before the day I took a breath, you had a plan for my every step. You promised to always be by my side.